These are the questions you should be asking very, very early on to your AI strategy.
Yep. And so literally, if you go on the next slide, is the action that we need to take in terms of how you implement one of those large language models into a project, literally. So where is that information? Where is it going? I think Alvin did mention the other that you just don't give them all the information, but you give them some. And then we went on to the user. So it's just about where do you come from and where do you need to go?
It's really holding its hand and giving
Hmm.
it the bite size. I love that you use bite size at the beginning because it's really just providing bite size of information
Hmm.
at the right time. And it goes back to communication, right? Because if you're an effective communicator and you're able to effectively provide, if you're like teachers and professors, right? They want their students to understand the topic
Hmm.
and understand the information that they're being prophesized to, right?
Hmm.
Professed to. And they don't just dump you and give you here's the
Well,
entire all the information for the entire
yes.
semester. You have the
Hmm.
textbook. You can read the entire textbook, and you're going to understand from one perspective only, your perspective, because you're the one reading the textbook. The magic happens when now you have someone that is experienced, that not only has read the same textbook as you, but is now giving you context as and perspective as to how you should be interpreting the information that you're reading from that textbook.